Hey, good morning. Sometime Kev. We're in Poppy's kitchen today. Today's breakfast is gonna be potatoes, eggs, sausage, toast, and shrimp and grits. Come with me. Let's make this real quick. So the key to this breakfast is gonna be all about timing. You have to get your sausage started. You got to boil your water early, and you got to get those potatoes started cooking from the very beginning, because the grits take a while. The eggs and the shrimp are going to be done in 3 to 4 minutes, so they're going to be the last thing you do. Follow those grits on the package, the label on how to cook them, and when they're done, pile in the butter and pile in the cheese, and that'll make them great. This is such an easy 20-minute or less meal, but you gotta prep. Everything's gotta be prepped. I mean, you gotta be ready. Get that water boiling and get the sausage cooking and get those potatoes cut up and cooking, or they're not gonna be ready when everything else. So one way to do this is just leave everything on the stove and just dip up the plates yourself. I feel that's a good way to do it. That way you can give everybody some of everything, even if they say they don't want it, make them try it. And it just makes it easier. And then on the shrimp, when you cook the shrimp, do like you're supposed to. Bring the water to a boil, put the shrimp in it, bring them back to a boil, turn it off, and then take them out and put them in an ice bath almost immediately and cool them down so they stop cooking. Now, when you bring them back to a boil that first time, if it takes more than 5 minutes, then they're already done and you need to pull them out. Now, you don't want your shrimp to be chewy, you want them to pop. On your shrimp and grits, you can, there's a dozen different ways to do them. This is just how I did it today. You can do them however you want to do them, but this is the easy way to do it. And when you season them, I used Tony Chachere's because it's not real spicy. Don't over season them, because those shrimp and that grits will take on a lot of seasoning really quick. So, and you don't want to like turn people off to it because you got too much seasoning on them. But anyway, enjoy this one. I certainly did, and I'll see you guys next time on Delicious Feel Good Foods and Recipes. Until next time, God bless and be good. This is Summertime Kev in Poppy's kitchen today, and that's how we make shrimp and grits.